A very good morning. This is Nishitsir and today I'll give you a very important tips about the resume. Friends, first of all, at the time of making resume, need to focus on these all particular aspects. I'll give you some points and tips by which you can make your resume strong. The first point is what? Choose a clear, easy to read format. Use a clean, professional looking font and make sure your resume is well organized and easy to scan. The second, tailor your resume to help the job that you are applying for. Highlight your skills and experiences that are most relevant to the job you are applying for. And the third, use bullet points to describe all those points. Use bullet points to list your previous job responsibilities and accomplishments. Be specific and use number of quantity your achievements whenever possible. Right, these are the important points. That the fourth point, that keep it concise. Try to keep your resume to 1 or 2 pages at most. Be selective about what you include and focus on the most important information. The fifth point, that include your contact number. Make sure your name, phone number and email address are that prominently displayed at the top of your resume. Right, that proved clearly. Right, make sure that proved your resume carefully to avoid any spelling or grammatical errors. Right, at the time of making resume, it is very important to check out the grammatical or spelling errors. Right, it will help you to make your resume strong. The seventh point is what? Use action verb. Start each bullet point with an action verb such as managed, created or achieved. This will make your resume more dynamic and engaging. The 8, include a summary or objective statement. A summary or objective statement that can help to introduce yourself and highlight your skills and experiences. Remember, your resume should be clear and concise summary of your skills and experience that demonstrates why you are the best for this job. Friends, if you follow these tips by which you can make your resume strong. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe and share. And don't try to forget comment, because your comments and your likes that motivates me to do more work. Thank you so much.